Finally, I got to 1,000 subscribers. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for getting me to 1,000. Thank you guys for all the support. Thanks for watching my videos, and to all my friends and family, I cannot thank you enough. Thanks for always sharing my videos. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. You guys are so amazing. If you are a small YouTuber like me, you will understand how difficult it is to get to 1,000 subscribers. All the pains, you beg your friends, you beg your family members, say share my video, share my videos, watch my videos. You know, oh my goodness, the struggle is so hard. YouTube is not easy, it's big work. So guys, I'm so grateful. Now I look forward to getting to 2,000 and beyond. In this video, I went to TK Maxx to do some shopping. During the lockdown, one of the shops I missed most was TK Maxx. So as soon as they opened, I needed some things in my kitchen, so I had to go and buy them. Lovely day. Goodbye. Bye.